Right now, while most people are scrolling social media, a financial revolution is happening quietly in the background. Artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency are changing how money works, how banks operate, and even who controls global finance. And honestly, most people have no idea how massive this shift really is. Because the next generation of millionaires, companies, and even governments may be built on AI and crypto. For decades, banks controlled almost everything about money. They controlled payments, loans, transfers, investments. But the system has problems. International transfers can take days. Banks charge ridiculous fees, and inflation keeps making people feel poorer every year. Then crypto showed up, and suddenly people realized, wait, what if money could move instantly without banks? That idea alone changed finance forever. Crypto introduced something revolutionary: decentralized finance. Instead of one bank controlling everything, thousands of computers around the world verify transactions together. That means money can move globally in seconds. No bank holidays, no waiting until Monday morning, no manager approving your transfer, and now entire financial systems exist online. People can borrow money, earn interest, trade assets, and even get loans using only crypto. Then, artificial intelligence entered the game, and things became even crazier, because AI can analyze financial data faster than any human on Earth. News headlines, stock charts, market psychology, social media trends, economic reports. AI can process all of it in seconds. Some trading companies already use AI systems that make thousands of trades automatically. Not in hours, not in minutes, but in milliseconds. And here's the scary part. The AI keeps learning. Now, combine AI with crypto, and you get something that could completely transform global finance. AI crypto trading bots already buy and sell automatically. Some detect patterns humans would never notice. Others scan social media to predict market movements. AI can also help detect fraud instantly. Banks lose billions to scams every year, but AI systems can detect suspicious behavior almost immediately. And crypto gives those AI systems a global digital financial network to operate on. This is why tech companies and governments are investing billions into AI and blockchain right now. Because whoever dominates this technology could dominate the future economy. But this future is not all good news. AI scams are becoming terrifyingly realistic. Deep fake voices, fake investment platforms, AI-generated fraud, and crypto itself is still extremely volatile. One day people become millionaires. The next day markets crash. And governments are worried too, because decentralized finance is harder to control. And when governments lose control over money, that changes global power completely. In the future, your AI assistant may manage your investments. Your salary could arrive in digital currencies. Banks may become mostly digital. And financial decisions could happen automatically through AI. Imagine an AI that notices inflation rising and instantly moves your money into safer assets before markets crash. That future may sound crazy, but parts of it are already happening. Whether people like it or not, AI and crypto are reshaping global finance right now. The question is no longer if finance will change, it's who will adapt first. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more breakdowns on money, technology, AI, and the future of finance. And tell me in the comments, would you trust AI with your money?